welcome back to my YouTube channel. Pkwheel 2024 Toyota GR Supra is a thrilling sports car that continues to impress drivers with its potent performance, sleek design, and engaging handling. Here's a quick rundown of what you can expect. Engine and performance. 2 engine options. 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder, 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-feet of torque. 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-6, 382 horsepower and 368 pounds-to-feet of torque, standard on 45th anniversary edition. Both engines paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, with a 6-speed manual available on the 3.0 Premium and 45th anniversary edition. 0 to 60 miles per hour in as low as 4.0 seconds. 3.0 liters automatic. Sharp handling and responsive steering. Exterior and design. Bold and aggressive styling with a long hood, short deck, and wide stance. Available in a range of eye-catching colors, including the new Macon Blast Orange and Absolute Zero White for the 45th anniversary edition. New matte black 19-inch wheels on the 45th anniversary edition. Optional black body side graphic and manually adjustable rear spoiler on the 45th anniversary edition. Interior and features. Driver-focused cockpit with supportive seats and a well-organized layout. 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Available heated and ventilated seats, head-up display, and premium audio system. New hazelnut interior color option on the 3.0 premium grade. Pricing and availability. Starting price of $46,635. Including destination charge. For the 2.0 liters model, 3.0 liters model start at $55,595. The 45th anniversary edition is the most expensive at $65,470. Available at Toyota dealerships now. Overall, the 2024 Toyota GR Supra is a fantastic choice for drivers who want a powerful, stylish, and engaging sports car. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a thrilling driving experience. Do you have any specific questions about the 2024 Toyota GR Supra? I'd be happy to share more information or help you compare it to other sports cars. Thanks for watching Pkwheel.